Here is one relief effort, shown in two different graphs. Graph A is a running total. It shows the total meals delivered. By the end of week 1, it reads 120. By the end of week 2, it reads 300. Graph B is a bar graph. It shows how many teams worked each week. In week 2, there were 6 teams. The question is this: how many meals did each team deliver in week 2? 2 graphs, 1 answer. So pause the video and think. Which graph gives you the total for week 2, and which graph gives you the count of teams? Try it before I show the steps. Let us link the 2 graphs. First, graph A. It is a running total, so each point is everything so far. By the end of week 1, the total was 120. By the end of week 2, the total was 300. But we only want week 2, so subtract. 300 minus 120 is 180. That is the meals delivered in week 2 alone. Now turn to graph B for the count. In week 2, there were 6 teams, so we have one number from each graph. 180 meals from graph A, 6 teams from graph B. To get the share for one team, divide. 180 divided by 6 is 30. Each team delivered 30 meals. So the whole answer came from 2 graphs working together. One graph gave the total, the other graph gave the count. Then we divided to get the rate for one team. Total, then count, then divide. This is the link 2 graphs rule. If 2 graphs describe the same situation, then read the total from one and the count from the other, and divide for a per unit rate. Look for 2 data displays together with a per team, or each, or per unit question. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.